Every year, tool innovation gets smarter, faster, and more efficient, and 2026 is no exception. In today's video, we're counting down 20 genius new tools that every pro and DIYer needs this year. From clever problem solvers to heavy-duty game changers, these picks will save you time, money, and frustration in the shop or on the job site. Let's dive in and see what's redefining the way we work. Weeding shouldn't feel like a workout. For too long, outdoor cleaning has meant sore knees, aching backs, and wasted hours. The Batavia 12V Fixxbrush changes that. Designed to revolutionize your routine, this powerful tool makes weed and moss removal effortless. Its re-oscillating brush head delivers unmatched control and speed, while the adjustable telescopic pole lets you work at your perfect height. A second hand grip adds comfort for longer sessions, and with no chemicals required, it's an eco-friendly choice for a healthier garden. Compact, cordless, and built for convenience, the Fixxbrush is the world's most effective weed brush, turning tedious chores into quick, satisfying results. Say goodbye to pain and frustration, and hello to a cleaner, greener outdoor space with the Batavia 12V Fixxbrush. Drilling into walls without support often leads to crooked holes, dust everywhere, and wasted effort, but the 3.7-volt vacuum wall-holding drill guide solves that with precision and convenience. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, its built-in vacuum suction holds the unit securely to the wall, freeing your hands for accurate drilling. Suitable for bits up to 12 millimeters, it features both horizontal and vertical spirit levels to ensure perfect alignment. A laser light on the bottom guides hole placement, making sequences or square patterns effortless. The removable dust collection pod keeps your workspace clean and empties easily after use. Compact and rechargeable via USB, it's ready whenever you need it. Whether you're mounting shelves, hanging frames, or tackling DIY projects, this drill guide transforms wall drilling from a messy guesswork job into a clean, precise process. Running multiple tools or chargers off a single outlet often leads to clutter, tangled cords, and unsafe setups, but the Klein Tools 2-inch Power Strip Pro solves that with rugged, job-site-ready power distribution. Designed with 8 120-volt outlets spaced 2 inches apart, it easily accommodates bulky plugs and adapters without blocking adjacent sockets. The durable metal housing stands up to tough conditions, while the built-in surge protection keeps sensitive electronics safe. A 6-foot heavy-duty cord provides flexible placement, and the mounting holes let you secure it to walls, benches, or carts for organized power access. With an integrated 15-amp circuit breaker, it prevents overloads and ensures reliable performance. Whether you're in the shop, garage, or on the job site, the Klein Tools Power Strip Pro transforms messy, unsafe power setups into a clean, efficient solution built for professionals. Measuring and setting brickwork with separate tools is slow, error-prone, and inefficient. But the OX Pro Series Brick Rule solves that with a smart 2-in-1 design. Combining a folding rule and brick gauge, it streamlines layout work for maximum accuracy and speed. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, it features a stretcher bond scale up to 1200 millimeters and is compatible with 84, 85, 86, and 87 brick gauges, making it versatile across different projects. The reinforced brass hinge and pins add strength and reliability, ensuring consistent performance on site. With the ability to easily set your datum height, this tool eliminates guesswork and keeps courses aligned. Perfect for bricklayers and construction pros, the OX Pro Series Brick Rule transforms measuring from a tedious step into a precise, efficient process, delivering durability and accuracy to every job. Keep your work area clean and professional with the Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl. Designed for contractors, electricians, and DIYers, this innovative tool contains dust and debris right at the source. The versatile bowl works seamlessly with hole saws up to 6 3/8 inches and arbors up to 1/2 inch, making it a reliable fit for a wide range of drilling tasks. The integrated vacuum port connects easily to the most common hose sizes with a simple friction fit, so cleanup happens instantly while you work. When the job is finished, the dust bowl collapses flat for compact storage in your toolbox or bag. Durable, practical, and efficient, the Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl helps you drill smarter, cleaner, and safer every single time. On busy job sites, machinery is pushed to its limits every day. Keeping equipment properly lubricated isn't just maintenance, it's the key to avoiding costly downtime. That's why professionals turn to the JCB Professional Grease Gun. Powered by the advanced E-Tech battery system, this cordless applicator delivers reliable performance wherever the job takes you. With 2 settings, it offers both precision and power, up to 10,150 psi for heavy demands, or 5,800 psi for controlled applications. Flow rates of 100 gram per minute and 300 gram per minute give flexibility, while the 450 gram capacity and 120 centimeter hose ensure efficiency and reach. Tough, portable, and built for the trade, the JCB Professional Grease Gun keeps your machines running smoothly and your projects on schedule. Tying rebar by hand is slow, inconsistent, and labor-intensive, but the Makita 40V Max XGT 16-gauge rebar tying tool, GRT01, solves that with unmatched speed and strength. As the world's first 40V Max 16-gauge rebar tying tool, it delivers up to 65% stronger ties with deep capacity to handle wire mesh, number 3 by number 3 rebar, and even up to number 9 by number 8 rebar. Engineered for efficiency, it dispenses the exact amount of wire needed per tie, cutting production costs and saving material. Powered by a 40V Max XGT 2.5 amp-hour battery, the GRT01 delivers up to 3,600 ties per charge, keeping crews productive all day. Rugged and versatile, it's ideal for commercial buildings, bridges, tilt-up construction, pools, residential projects, conduit installation, and more, transforming rebar tying from a tedious chore into a fast, cost-saving process. Cutting through wood, metal, or demolition materials with underpowered saws is slow, tiring, and inconsistent. But the Bosch GSA 18V24 cordless reciprocating saw solves that with pro-grade performance and mobility. Powered by Bosch's 18-volt battery platform, it delivers strong cutting speed and efficiency without the hassle of cords. The compact, ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, while the toolless blade change system keeps workflow fast and frustration-free. Engineered with vibration control technology, it reduces fatigue during extended use, and the variable speed trigger gives precise control across different materials. Rugged construction ensures durability on demanding job sites, and compatibility with Bosch's 18-volt batteries means you can swap power seamlessly across tools. Whether tackling demolition, remodeling, or metal cutting, the Bosch GSA 18V24 transforms tough cuts into quick, controlled results, saving time and effort every project. In today's fast-paced automotive shops, efficiency is everything. The MILWAUKEE M12 Auto Shop Borescope with Wi-Fi file sharing is designed to simplify inspections and speed up repair approvals. With a 5.5-inch HD touchscreen display, technicians can capture high-definition photos and videos, add context through onboard drawing, audio, text, and even trim clips before sharing instantly via shop Wi-Fi. A 5mm access point makes tight spaces like glow plug holes and fuel injector ports easy to inspect, while front and side view cameras with adjustable LED brightness provide clear visibility. With 4x zoom, diagnosing hairline cracks is more confident than ever. Built with heat-sense temperature alert and a field-replaceable camera cable, downtime is minimized. Powered by the M12 battery system, it integrates seamlessly with all M12 solutions. Finishing high horizontal drywall joints with fixed handles is awkward, tiring, and often leaves uneven results, but the TapeTech Sidewinder extendable brakeless box handle solves that with precision and comfort. Featuring a 7-position rotating head, it keeps the finishing box at the perfect angle, making overhead work faster and more consistent. Extending from 34 inches to 60 inches, it adapts to different heights and applications, while the oversized star knob ensures easy adjustments on the fly. Built from easy-to-clean fiberglass with an optimal grip diameter, it's lightweight at just 2.75 pounds, reducing fatigue during long finishing runs. Compatible with all tape tech and most other finishing boxes, it delivers versatility across job sites. The Sidewinder transforms drywall finishing from a struggle into a smooth, efficient process, giving professionals the control and reach they need for flawless results. But the HOL Tools Easy-On Hose Press Barbed Fitting Pusher solves that with speed and precision. Engineered to press barbed fittings into hoses effortlessly, it eliminates the need for heat, lubrication, or brute force. The compact bench mount design provides stability, while the lever-driven mechanism delivers smooth, controlled insertion that protects hose integrity. Compatible with a wide range of hose sizes and fittings, it's ideal for automotive, hydraulic, and industrial applications. Durable construction ensures long service life, and its simple setup makes it accessible for both professionals and DIYers. Whether you're outfitting fuel lines, hydraulic systems, or shop projects, the Easy-On Hose Press transforms hose assembly from a tedious struggle into a fast, reliable process, saving time, reducing waste, and ensuring leak-free connections every push. Trying to cut material on a saw without proper support is frustrating, unsafe, and slows down your work. But the Excision PR50 portable roller solves that with stability and precision. Designed for workshop and job site use, it provides a huge height range of 90 millimeters with 5 millimeter increments, so you can dial in the exact level for every cut. The smooth roller surface makes feeding timber, steel, or other materials effortless, eliminating the struggle of dragging stock across a makeshift stand. Compact and portable, it's easy to position wherever you need extra support, and its rugged build ensures long-lasting performance under heavy loads. Whether you're ripping boards, cutting pipe, or handling sheet material, the Excision PR50 transforms awkward setups into a safe, efficient workflow, saving time, reducing effort, and keeping your cuts clean and accurate every job. But the BHU Tools LFT V6 Multi-Angle Tile Fixer and Adjuster solves that with precision and versatility. Designed for professional tilers and DIYers, it features a multi-angle adjustment system that locks tiles securely in place, ensuring flawless alignment across different surfaces. The durable construction withstands heavy use, while the ergonomic design makes setup quick and comfortable. Ideal for large format tiles, tricky corners, or patterned layouts, it eliminates the frustration of slipping tiles and uneven spacing. Compact and portable, it's easy to carry between jobs and delivers consistent results every time. Whether you're tackling bathrooms, kitchens, or decorative walls, the BHU LFT V6 transforms tile installation from a tedious struggle into a smooth, professional quality process. Scraping ice with flimsy tools or brushing snow with rough bristles risks damaging your vehicle and leaves you cold and frustrated. But the Matco exclusive snow brush with hex-shaped ice scraper solves that with durability and comfort. Built from sturdy ABS construction, the hex-shaped scraper head is tough enough to power through ice even in the coldest conditions, while proudly featuring the Matco logo. The lightweight aluminum handle telescopes from 26 inches to 32.2 inches, giving you the reach to clear snow and ice from hard-to-access areas on larger vehicles. Its polypropylene bristle head sweeps away snow without scratching paint or glass, and the ergonomic comfort grip ensures ease of use even in freezing weather. Compact, rugged, and efficient, this custom Matco snow brush transforms winter cleanup into a quick, safe, and hassle-free routine. Cutting tiles with low-power tools often leads to chipped edges, uneven cuts, and wasted material, but this high-speed tile cutting tool solves that with precision and control. Delivering up to 19,500 RPM, it's engineered for detailed work on tiles and other materials, making intricate cuts effortless. With 6 adjustable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 19,500 RPM, you get total control to match the tool's performance to the job. The 50mm cutting disc reaches tight spaces, allowing for fine detail and complex patterns. Built for versatility, it handles cutting and roughing across a wide variety of tiles, quickly and accurately. Equipped with a thermal shroud, it manages temperature rise to maintain stable power output, ensuring consistent performance. Compact, powerful, and reliable, this tool transforms tile cutting from a frustrating chore into a smooth, professional-quality process.
Struggling with sheet metal using ordinary hammers or carrying multiple tools slows down workflow and adds fatigue, but the MILWAUKEE Tin Master Hammer, TMH1, solves that with pro-grade efficiency. Weighing 18 ounces, this forged steel hammer is engineered for HVAC technicians and sheet metal pros who demand strength and precision. Its integrated slot bends all sizes of drive cleats, eliminating the need for extra tools and streamlining your setup. Each section is individually hardened and tempered, delivering maximum impact with the perfect balance of toughness and flexibility for heavy-duty job site conditions. The custom ergonomic grip handle enhances comfort and control, whether you're taking full swings or choking up for fine detail work. Built for durability and resiliency, the Tin Master transforms metalworking from a tiring chore into a smarter, faster process, helping you work longer with less fatigue. Digging through cluttered toolboxes or leaning pry bars against the wall is unsafe, inefficient, and wastes time. But the Automotive's magnetic pry bar holder solves that with organized, secure storage. Built with high-strength magnets, it mounts easily to any steel surface, holding your pry bars firmly in place without slipping. The durable steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the compact design keeps tools accessible without taking up valuable space. Designed to fit a range of pry bar sizes, it prevents damage to tools and eliminates the frustration of searching for the right one mid-project. Perfect for garages, workshops, or professional job sites, the Automotive's magnetic pry bar holder transforms messy setups into a clean, efficient workspace, saving time, improving safety, and keeping your most used tools exactly where you need them. Breaking loose stuck fasteners with standard sockets often means wasted time, damaged tools, or removing components just to gain access, but the off-angle impact socket system solves that with speed and innovation. This brand new design uses an offset lip on the socket heads, allowing greater reach in tight areas like drive pulleys, pans, housings, and other offset positions. The kit includes the 5 most common sizes for suspension, frame, engine, transmission, and component bolts, making it versatile across automotive and heavy-duty applications. Compatible with any standard dead-blow hammer, it delivers controlled impact, while the included EVA hand protection keeps you safe. Ideal for alignments, suspensions, diesel trucks, and more, this system saves your tools and eliminates the need to hammer on combo wrenches or ratchets, transforming stubborn fastener removal into a quick, efficient process. And that wraps up our list of 20 genius tools for 2026, each one designed to make your projects easier, safer, and more efficient. Which tool impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your favorites. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next roundup of pro-grade gear.